So you might be in a situation where for some reason your developer mode on your iPhone is just missing. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. The number one thing I'd recommend doing here though, for the most part, is just making sure that within your developer mode, the iPhone that you're running, that you are updated on the most recent version of iOS that's available. For a majority of people who are running into this problem, you might just want to go through and just make sure that you have developer mode even enabled. So go inside of your iPhone settings right here, and you want to scroll down into your privacy and security option. So scroll down until you see privacy and security, which is right here. And then what you want to do is you want to scroll all the way down. Now you should be able to see that developer mode option at the bottom if you did actually go through and actually, enable it from your computer. So if you enabled it from your machine, from Xcode and all that, and it's still not showing up here, you might want to go through and redo that process. So go through, make sure that your Xcode on your machine and everything that you're trying to do there, you want to make sure that you're going through and doing that correctly. Make sure that your device is connected properly to your device when you're doing it. And that is the other way to mostly do it. Now, some other people were mentioning that you might just want to make sure that your Apple ID that's associated on your iPhone and your Mac, they're the same. I don't know if you necessarily need to do that. I saw that online, but you could give it a try and you could see if that ends up fixing the problem. If that still doesn't work, you can also try going through and restarting your phone as well. So hold down the buttons you normally would to restart your device, turn it off. You want to go and give it a few moments and then turn it back on. And you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem. And like I said, for some people out there, that might end up fixing it, and that might be another thing you can try doing as well. So those are kind of the main ways to go and do it for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.